Is there everything all right there, sir?
What?
Is there everything all right?
Yeah. We have nice fire.
Is that is giving the power to the ship?
Yeah.
How old is this ship?
How
old is the ship?
old?
The ship?
Ship is built in 1921.
1921. And you?
Yeah.
You? Also, you are so nice, young. I wanted to say you are young.
Yeah. I was built in 1980.
You was built in 1980. Okay. So you are here all day long doing this job. Just what is your job? So you put the wood in the engine.
Yeah, in the boiler.
In the boiler.
So this is the steam boiler and this is the steam engine.
And then you make a tea, or what is it there on the top?
Oil cans.
Oil cans. So it's not for tea. This one is not for tea, but the oil for oil.
There's no automatic lubrication, so we have to put oil
here. Ah, I see. Okay, that's amazing. Good. And today, how many kilos of wood you put inside?
If we have 1 cubic meter of wood, we can drive 3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
1 cubic meters for 3 hours.
Yeah.
So you put it in here. Okay. Great. What else should we know about this ship? That it's interesting that we have no clue. What else is that we should know? What else you would like to tell me?
well, this is the original passenger ship built for cruising between Kajaani and Sotkamo.
Okay.
So first 15 years it was a cruise ship.
First 15 it was a cruise ship. Okay. It's really interesting.